What's up you guys, it's Shivangi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is a classic wing liner and a red lip look, but I've given my twist to it. I have smoked out the liner. So basically I've created a smoky wing liner and a red lip look. I really hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial, guys. All the products that I'll be using, the links to those products will be in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And I'm having a bad hair day today, so kindly ignore my hair. Now without wasting any more time, let's begin the tutorial. First, I'm going to apply a primer. I'm going to use Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. Next step is concealer. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312 Amber. Again, I'm just gonna apply concealer on all the darker areas of my face and wherever I've got a bit of redness. And I'm going to blend this with my favorite concealer brush. This is PAC 219 brush. Whenever you're blending the concealer under your eyes, you should always blend it in tapping motion. You should not drag it, otherwise it kind of moves from the skin. And I also run the brush through my eyelids. And done. Let's move on to the foundation now. For foundation today, I'll be using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Medium Olive. Just gonna take a little bit at the back of my hand, and with a damp sponge, I'm going to apply it on my face. This is a Wise She sponge. I've never used it. I'm using it for the first time. I got it from Amazon, so let's see how it is. I actually recently bought two sponges. One was the YBP sponge, which I used yesterday, and this was the one which I did not use it. I just randomly bought it from Amazon, and they both are quite nice, guys. YBP one is also one of my favorites, and even this one, it's very soft and squishy and it's blending the foundation well. After blending the foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to set it. First, I'm going to use my concealer brush, take the powder, dust it a little, and set my under eye area. Also the eyelids. And then with a powder brush, which I bought randomly from Shein when it was there, I'm going to set the rest of my face. Very lightly, like don't take too much of powder, guys. Just always, dip the brush, dust it off, and then apply it. The base is set. Now I'm going to lightly contour my cheekbones and my jawline, and for that I'll be using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is actually in the shade Bronzer. Like, I know there are a few shades in this, but this is the one which I use. It's just called Bronzer. I'm using a PAC 305 brush. This is a contouring brush. Also, whenever you're contouring your jawline, always apply the contouring product below the bone, like basically this area where we get our double chins and stuff, and never take it above your, you know, this bone, because if you do that, then sometimes if it is not blended properly or if the contour shade is even slightly darker, this can look very odd from the side. This is a hack which I actually learned from a Fenty Beauty global makeup artist. I watched one of the videos where she mentioned that it is really wrong to kind of apply contouring product on top of your face like this, whenever you're contouring your jawline, that is. Next, I'm going to fill out my eyebrows. I'm going to use Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. You know, this product refuses to get over. I've been using it so much, it's not even funny. I'm going to mix these two shades, guys. These are the two shades which I use for my eyebrows. And I'm using this brush which came in a Morphe brush set which I bought ages ago. As always, I brush them down, then I carve out a shape, and then I, you know, brush them upwards and fill out the rest. Now let's get to the important bit, which is creating the smoked out wing liner. Oddly enough, I'm actually not going to use any eyeliner to do this. If you want, you can use the gel liner. I am going to use a Kajal pencil. This is from K by Katrina and the shade is called Spade. It's really budget friendly and it's quite nice, guys. I've used this Kajal and I quite like it. Why I'm not using a liquid liner is because it's very difficult to, you know, smudge them out and it can get messy. So that's why a gel liner or a Kajal pencil would be fine. Now I'm going to create a half wing liner with the Kajal pencil. It doesn't have to be extremely precise or anything. Just do your best, okay? So yeah, let's do this. Now, in my eyeliner tutorial, I did mention that the tip of your wing should point towards the end of your eyebrow. So the line which you're drawing should aim towards the end of the eyebrows. That's going to be your reference. Okay, I hope you can see this, guys. This is a half liner. I stopped at the center of my eyelid. I did not take the Kajal pencil all the way till the inner corner of my eye. I stopped right about here. Now you need to take an eyeliner brush. This is Pro Art PE28 brush. It's an angular eyeliner brush. And you need to take a black eyeshadow. I'm going to use this black from this Pack Matte eyeshadow palette. It's called... okay, there's no name. I think it's called Earthly Love, but you can just use any black eyeshadow, guys. Now dip this brush in the black eyeshadow. Ensure that you dust it off properly. You don't want it to get on your skin. Even if it does, we can fix it. But yeah, do dust it off properly. And then you gotta kind of apply it on top of the kajal. Like this. And with this brush and the eyeshadow, you need to slightly start smudging the kajal. I need a close mirror for this. And now I'm going to dip my brush in the eyeshadow again, dust it off, and basically connect these lines. Try and kind of smoke out this eyeshadow as much as possible. Sometimes what I do is I flick my brush upwards. So that kind of, you know, blends it out really well. I'm giving you a closer look. This is how your eyeliner will look like once you're done smudging and blending. We'll clean this up as well. Let me quickly finish the other eye, then I'll come back and show you how to, get like a sharp line here. Now to clean this up and have like a really sharp wing, I'm going to again take a little bit of concealer. The same concealer which I used, guys. This is L'Oreal Infallible. Next, I'm going to take a flat concealer brush. This is again from Pro Art. It's PF01 brush. And take a little bit of concealer on the brush. And basically just clean this area out. Like this. You really don't need too much of concealer, guys. Just very little concealer is needed. Then I'm just taking a small brush and setting the concealer that we applied. And that's it. There you have it. We fixed this one. I'll quickly just fix this one as well and come back to you and finish up the rest of the makeup. Smoked out winged liner is done. All cleaned up and sharp. And I always feel like one eye is better than the other. Today, I feel like my left is better than the right, but when I see them in the mirror, they are matching, and that's what matters, guys. It's very difficult. I know eyeliners are something which are pretty difficult to do. Now to finish up the rest of the eye, I'm first going to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. I'm not going to highlight the brow bone, guys. Like, you really don't need to highlight the brow bone with this look. I'm using K by Katrina's Illuminating highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. And this is again a Morphe brush, guys, from that same brush set. I'm just going to add very little highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. That's it, just like a hint of highlighter. And then we'll use mascara. I'm going to use L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I've used it so much, the labeling is almost off. I love this mascara, guys. By the way, I've lost my lash curler. If you're not planning to wear falsies with this, then ensure that you use a lash curler before applying the mascara. I'm just applying one coat of mascara. After that, I will wear some falsies. Once you're done applying the mascara, you take the kajal and apply it on your upper waterline. This step really defines your eyes a little more, especially when you're wearing an eyeliner. It kind of makes it look seamless. I'm going to quickly wear falsies off camera. I'm using Pac Pro 03 falsies. Alright, done. Now let's get to the blush. I'm going to use Colorbar Cheekillusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. This blush is also super pigmented, so I'm going to take a blush brush. This is again from Shein, and dip my brush in it, dust the excess, and start applying it. Now please note that I'm not taking this blush all the way till here, which I usually do, to get like a flushed look. I kind of apply a little bit of blush on my nose and then a little on this area when I smile. But for this look, I'm not gonna do that because honestly, on a personal level, I do not like too much of blush, especially when I have like this kind of a winged smoky eye going on. Plus, I'm also wearing a red lip. So with a red lip, I go a little easy on the blush. Like, I don't like apply a lot of blush. So just this area is where I'm applying the blush. You see? Just a hint of blush, that's it. And for highlighter, again, I'm using K by Katrina's highlighter, the same one which I use, Champagne Fizz. And I'm going to highlight just the high points of my face. I'm also not going too heavy on the highlighter, guys. It's totally up to you though. Alright. Done. You can see, right, how subtle I've kept this, but it's up to you. If you want to go all out, you can totally go all out. Now we've come to the last and the most important part of this tutorial, which is applying a red lip. And for that, first I'm going to use a lip liner. I'm going to use this one from Nykaa. It's called Loverboy. Just going to line my lips as neatly as possible. Okay, my lips are too dry. Just 1 second, yeah? I need to apply a little bit of lip balm. Of course, that got mixed with the lip liner. I'm filling out the outer area of my lips with the liner pencil. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to apply the lip color. It's actually a lip crayon from Sugar, guys. It's called Scarlet O'Hara. We're done, guys. We've come to the end of this tutorial. I really hope that you could understand each and every step which I was trying to explain to you, because I know there are certain elements in this tutorial which are a little tricky, but I absolutely love this look, guys. Like, this is such a versatile look and it goes well with pretty much everything, like every outfit, even Indian wear. If you do try out this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and also check out my Instagram handle. If you like my content there, you can give me a follow there. And if you have not subscribed already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels, Hindi, English and Bengali, and you know, we're really trying hard to build a really nice and happy and positive community here. Plus, I told you in the last video as well, guys, I love interacting with you and I take out a lot of ideas from the comment section. So don't forget to leave your thoughts, your suggestions or anything at all that you want to say in the comment section. I would love to read them out. Also, like this video if you like it. That helps us in reaching out to more people. We want to build our family and grow our family here. So leave us a like only if you like this video. And that's it. On that note, I'm gonna see you in the next one, guys. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye.